perspective of compliance itself to something, automation. I've worked on building. It wasn't actually an MSSP that did it. It was the customer had a large enough environment and enough money to do this themselves. But we built an elastic environment that would monitor certain areas of their environment and certain areas of documentation where they would have to keep documentation up. And we built out the monitoring of those, let's say this particular file and this particular folder with these particular files, and it had these things where you had to maintain certain policy requirements and things like that. And it would give them a dashboard that would show them that they met, I don't know, 8 out of 10 controls or in a certain area of whatever standard that they had to meet. That kind of automation can very much help you from the non-technical, and some of it is technical, but mostly from the non-technical perspective of you having to meet a certain compliance. So if you've got to meet, if you're trying to go do some FedGov work and you need to maintain what level 1, I think it is, of CMMC, if that hasn't gone up, and you can automate certain things to make sure that you're putting that in a dashboard for somebody in the government to see it and give them an update or things. Automation there is very helpful.